Let's cook Japanese style pasta with natto. Hi, welcome to Neo-Japanese Cooking. I'm Chef Keiji. In this video, I'm gonna cook Japanese style pasta with natto. What is natto? Natto is fermented soybeans. Let's open natto. Natto goes well with pasta. Let's cook pasta with natto. Here's ingredients. Natto, cooking oil, onion, cooking sake. You can also use cooking wine too. Eggplant, salt, ground pepper, Bonito flakes, soy sauce, olive oil, spaghetti. Here's instructions. Cut onion in half. Chop onion in dices. Cut eggplant in half. Slice eggplant. Measure water and put salt in a pot. Boil water. Heat up a pan on medium heat. Measure cooking oil and heat it up. Cook onion on low heat. Put salt and pepper. Pour sake. Add eggplant. Add natto. Turn off heat. Add Bonito flakes. Add soy sauce. Add olive oil. Now pasta sauce is ready. Cook spaghetti. Drain hot water. Put spaghetti in the pan. Cook spaghetti and sauce together. Japanese natto pasta is ready. How did you like cooking pasta with natto? If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or requests, you can leave it in comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.